Good evening everybody. Welcome you all to MSc the online classes. In this session we will discuss about a special topic of your course, that is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is it? It is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in this session we will discuss about what is Pythagoras theorem and in which field it is dealing with. Okay, so let's start. So Pythagoras theorem is actually dealing with a special triangle. The triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, let's draw a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. Okay, let's naming its vertex. This is A, B and C. Okay, done. Then as we know that in a right angle triangle, the base part or the lower part is known as base. Okay, it is abbreviatory known as small b. Then the part which is projected upward is known as height. This is the height portion. Since it is 90 degree, known as perpendicular, this is height, so it is known as perpendicular height. Okay, it is known as perpendicular height. Okay, and it is also known as in the small English alphabet. It is small English alphabet P. Okay, then the rest part is, what is the rest part? AC side. So the AC side of right angle triangle is known as hypotenuse. Okay, it is known as hypotenuse, and it is naming as small h. Got it? So what is Pythagoras theorem is dealing with? It said that, it told us that what is it told us? It told us that the sum of square of height and base is equal to square of what? Height. Okay, it told us that the sum of square of height and the base is equal to square of hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the theoretical representation of Pythagoras theorem. We have to represent it in mathematical form. How? Let's understand this statement. The statement says that sum of square of height and base. So here is the height. What is it? P. So square of height. So P square. Okay. Then base, square of base. Base is B. So B square. Okay. Then its sum. Its sum done is equal to which factor is equal to square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is h and it is equal to the square of h. Okay, this is the mathematical derivation of Pythagoras theorem. This is the theoretical statement, it is the mathematical definition. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem we learn that p square plus b square is equal to h square. So this is the height, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So p square plus b square is equal to h square. Okay, this is the first formula derived by Pythagoras. Okay, this is down, this is the first formula. So here we will find another true formula derived with this formula. Okay, what is that? Let's say okay, here from here we can calculate p square is equal to, if b square will move to the right side, then the right side it will be minus b square. Okay, then p is equal to how much? It will be h square minus b square square root. Why it is square root? Because whenever the square term moves towards the right side, it will be square root. Whenever the plus goes to right side, it will be minus. Whenever the multiplication goes to right, it will be division. Similarly, whenever the square moves to the right side, it will be square root. So here we get the second one or the second formula. Okay, what is it? It told us that the value of p or the height is equal to square of h minus square of base. Okay, this is the second rule. Got it? Then from this we will also find the third rule. What is it? Let's do. Okay, from this, okay, if we remain b square in the left side, then in the right side it will be h square, and whenever the p square goes to right side it will be minus p square. Okay, then b will be how much? H square minus p square root over. Here also square moves to right side and it will be square root. So this is the third formula. Okay, so we learn about the formula 1, 2 and 3 of Pythagoras theorem. Let us do some problem relating to this theorem so that it is easy to understand. Okay, so let us take some example of it. Suppose a triangle is given, a right angle triangle is given. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Achha. Given that this part, this is known as perpendicular height, this part is 4 cm. Okay, that this part is 3 cm. Then the question is asking to find out the value of this part. Okay, so question is clear. Then we have to find out which part is 4 cm. This is known as P, perpendicular height. This is known as B, and this is known as H. So we have to find out the value of H by using which formula? Formula 1 or 2 or 3. See, here in formula 3, we can easily find out the value of B. In formula 2, we can easily find out the value of P. In formula 1, we can easily find out the value of H. So we can use which formula out of this? We can use the first formula. So what is the first formula? The first formula says that H square is equal to P square plus B square. Okay, then H is equal to how much? P square plus B square square root. Why? Because when square moves to right side, it will be square root. Then putting the formula or putting the value of P, here we can get P is 4 cm. So we can use in the place of P is 4 square plus in the place of B we can put 3 cm. So 3, then it's square. Okay, then H is equal to 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9 square root. Okay, then 16 plus 9 is how much? 25 square root. So square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so finally we find that the value of H is 5 using the formula 1 of Pythagoras theorem. So what is the value of H? The value of H is 5. So it is understandable. It is very easy to do. Okay, by using either this or this formula. Okay, let us take another example. Okay, what is another example? Suppose given that, okay, right angle triangle is given, and given that its hypotenuse H is equal to 26. Okay, its base B is equal to 24. Then the question is asking to find the value of P. Okay, to find the value of P. So which formula is utilizable? So out of these three formula we can use the formula 2. Okay, where we can find the value of P. Okay, let's put the formula. P is equal to how much? P is equal to H square minus B square root over. So implies P is equal to H square. In the position of H we can use 26 square minus In the position of b, you can use 24 square. Then it's square root. So p is equal to square root of. Achha, what is the value of 26 square? The value of 26 square will be 676. Okay. Similarly, then minus. What is the value of 24 square? The value of 24 square is 576. So p is equal to how much? See, 676 minus 576 is 100. Okay. So the square root of 100 is 10. So what is the value of p? So the value of p is 10. Okay. So value of p is 10. So we first use the formula of 1. Then here we use the second formula to find the value of p. So it is also easy to do. So let's third example where we use the third formula. Take the third example of a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle where given h is equal to let's say 13, okay, and p is equal to let's say 5. Then question is asking to find the value of lower part is known as base. What is the value of base? Achha, we can use here which formula? 1, 2 or 3? We can use the formula 3 because here we can find easily the value of b. Okay, put the formula. Then what is the formula? B is equal to square root of f square minus t square. Okay, then b is equal to, in the position of h we put the value of h, that is 13. So it is 13 square minus, in the position of p it will be 5 square. Okay, then b is equal to 13 square ja 169 minus, and 5 square ja how much? It will be 25. Okay, done. Then b is equal to 169 minus 25 ja 144. Then we have to find out the square root of 144. Okay, let's find out it. 144, 2, 7, 2, 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. Okay, so we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 after factorizing the 144. Okay, here for this 2 2 we use 1 2, for this 2 2 we use 1 2, and for this 2 3 we use 1 3. Okay, then the value is 3 2 ja 6 2 ja 12. So what is the value of b? We get the value of b will be 12. So the value of b is 12. Okay. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find any side of a right angle triangle if, only if, any two side is given. If two side is given, then we can calculate the third side. Okay. So this is today's classes. So in the next class, we will discuss about how the Pythagoras theorem is used to represent an irrational number in the number line. Till then, take care.